for today, nakalagay tungo sa isang daan.
My head is spinning, my hairs are raising. Oh my, yeah, here it comes now. The new sensation, the main attraction.
Great life! Great morning!
Sabi ko nga, dito sa Wiltec talagang pang-abang buhay.
The new sensation.
The 28th of September 2024 to mark the 50th anniversary of Wiltec Motors and Wiltec Group of Companies. It is a milestone for the company, and more importantly, in your time as our God and Creator, 50 years is a jubilee. For this, we praise and thank you.
I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show.
Good afternoon, and welcome to this momentous occasion as we gather here today to celebrate a truly remarkable milestone, the 50th anniversary of Wiltec. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you and share in this joyous celebration of half of a century of dedication, passion, and service.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you
To the Wiltec family, isa pong happy 50th anniversary po sa ating lahat. Ginawang posible na Wiltec na magkaroon ng motorsiklo o sasakyan ang bawat Pilipino.
optimist about this, how am I gonna be?
Yun talaga yung concept of Team Wiltec. It's not just the people up here, but technically it's all of us, the customer, and also promoting the lifestyle that we're selling. Yung pagbumotor nga ng buong Pilipinas, yung pagra-ride ng jet ski, pagpupunta sa racetrack ng gamit yung mga kotse namin. So technically, that's Team Wiltec.
We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your pose as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling.
We will not stop here, but we will direct our path to a more progressive and stable future. Wiltec will always be here as your partner, your key to a new life. Congratulations and happy golden anniversary to all of us. Thank you and God bless.
Does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like
Imagine nyo, 50 taon na kami ni Mrs. Udulio ay nagmamahalan. O hindi ba? Nagmamahalan at minamahal namin ang aming mga empleyado.
So the journey begins now. Tungo sa isang daan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our coffee table book. Congratulations to the Odulio family and to the whole Wiltec Group of Companies. Happy golden anniversary!
walls kept tumbling down in the city that we
The most important to me now is I am very excited. Really excited. That's the most important to me now. Because we are still alive. Because we have already 50 years.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes,
At tungo sa 100, I was hoping, kumpletuhin na rin po natin. Meron tayong land, water, at air. At tungo sa 100, maraming salamat po.